Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I will teach you how to grill the hamur fish with easy way and suitable things in the home. Continue the video to know how we will make it. To make this grilled hamur fish, I have hamur fish here and I wash it very well from the blood and I remove the gills and I clean it very well. Now let's see what we will need to make this grilled hamur fish. I will need for lemon juice, vegetable oil, vinegar. For the spices, I will need for turmeric and paprika and curry, lemon spices, garlic and cumin and salt. Now we will see how we'll make it. Now I will add everything in a plate and stir them well. Now I will add it on the hamur fish and spread it with my hand. Now I will cover it with foil paper and I will work on a high heat oven and I will open the oven from up and down and put the fish. Now I will go and put the fish and come back after it finishes. And here's the result. Here we have the grilled hamur fish. I hope you tried because everyone will like it. You can make it on the lunch, you can make it on dinner. Everyone will like it in the home. So don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share, write your comment. Bye. See you in the next video.